Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive work. Today we will discuss some MCQ question about computer knowledge. First question is, which of the following commands is given to reboot the computer? First, Ctrl plus Alt plus del, Ctrl plus Alt plus tab, Ctrl plus Shift plus del, Ctrl plus Shift plus tab, and Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift. Out of 5 alternatives, we saw the correct answer is A, Ctrl plus Alt plus del. Next question, you must install this on network if you want to share a broadband internet connection. Router, modem, node, cable, scanner. The correct answer is router. Question number 3. Windows is an scanning software, operating system, programming language, antivirus software, data storage device. The correct answer is operating system. Windows is an operating system. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an output device? Scanner, printer, laser printer, monitor, touch screen. Number A is correct, scanner, except that all are the output device. Question number 5. MPEG extension refers to A. System file, MS Office document, video file, image file, animation file. Correct answer is C, video file. Question number 6. VoIP extension refers to Voice over Internet Provider, Voice over Internet Practice, Voice over Internet Protocol, Voice over Internet Factory, Very Old Internet Protocol. The correct answer is C, Voice over Internet Protocol. Next question. Which of the following application is used to calculation? Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft PowerPoint, Adobe Acrobat. Correct answer is B, Microsoft Excel. Question number 8. In Microsoft Word, pressing Ctrl plus S will result in saving the documents, centering alignment, exiting from MS Word, underlining text, deleting text. The correct answer is A, saving the documents. Question number 9. What does DOCSIS stand for? A. Data over Cable Service Interface Specification, Data over Cable Security Internet Standard, Data over Cable Secure International STD, Data over Cable Service Internet Standard, and E, none of them. Here the A is correct answer, Data over Cable Service Interface Specification. Question number 10. OS computer abbreviation usually means A. Order of significance, Open Software, Operating System, Optical Sensor, none of them. The correct answer is Operating System. So C is correct. Question number 11. DB computer abbreviation usually means A. Database, B. Double byte, C. Data block, D. Diver boot, and E, none of them. The correct answer is A, database. Question number 12. What is the term of ask the computer to put information in order numerically or alphabetically. Crop, report, record, short, none of them. The correct answer is short. D is correct. Question number 13. Who developed Yahoo? Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson, David Filo and Jerry Yang, Bint Karp and Robert Kahn, Steve Case and Jeff Bezos. None of them. The correct answer is D. Steve Case and Jeff Bezos. Question number 14. Who co-created the Unix operating system in 1969 with Dennis Ritchie? A. Bjarne Stroustrup, Steven Wozniak, Ken Thompson, Nicholas Royd. None of them. Correct answer is C. Ken Thompson. Question number 15. Who co-founded Hotmail in 1996 and then sold the company to Microsoft? Sean Fanning, Ada Byron Lapses, Xavier Bhatia, Roy Tomlinson. None of them. Correct answer is C. Xavier Bhatia. Question number 16. INI extension refers usually to what kind of file? Image file, system file, hypertext related file, image color matching profile file. None of them. The correct answer is system file. So B is correct. Question number 17. BAK extension refers usually to what kind of file? A. Audio file, animation file, movie file, backup file. None of them. The correct answer is D. Backup file. BAK is stand for backup file. Question number 18. MPG extension refers usually to what kind of file? Word Perfect document file, MS Office documents, animation or movie file, image file. None of them. Correct answer is C. Animation or movie file. Question number 19. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Norton, Kaspersky, AVG, Winfo, McAfee. Correct answer is D. Winfo. Except that all are antivirus software. Question number 20. In MS Word, Ctrl+E will result in A. Table, B. Center alignment, C. Exit from MS Word, D. Underlined text, E. Deleted text. Correct answer is B. Center alignment. Question number 21. Which of the following are you probably using if you are viewing windows or icons? Menu driven interface, graphical user interface, command driven interface, character user interface, menu user interface. Correct answer is graphical user interface. Question number 22. Which of the following units represent the largest amount of data? A. Gigabyte, B. Terabyte, C. Byte, D. Megabyte, and E. Kilobyte. The largest amount of data is terabyte. So B is correct. Question number 23. When electrical power is disrupted or cut off, data and programs are lost in secondary storage, hard disks, operating system, RAM, ROM. The correct answer is RAM, random access memory. Question number 24. WAN stands for Wide Area Network, Wide Area Network, Wide ARRAYNET, Wireless Area Network, World Area Network? The correct answer is B, Wide Area Network. One is stand for Wide Area Network. Question number 25. Bluetooth is the popular name for the wireless networking standard 802.15, 802.11, 702.15, 702.11, and then 815.05. B is correct, 802.11. So friends, thank you all to stay with us. Till next, Allah Hafiz.